Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Programming Pirai. In this video, we are going to see about what is meant by bubble sort. So let's see first of all what is meant by sorting. So if you don't know about sorting, just watch it. See here, a sorted array is an array in which it is either in increasing order or in a decreasing order. So to arrange the elements in an increasing order or in a decreasing order is called what? Is called sorting. Okay. It is a technique to arrange the elements in either the increasing order or in a decreasing order. Okay. So what is meant by bubble sort? Okay. So bubble sort got its name by a popping of bubbles. Okay. This just assume there are n bubbles like this. Let me write in another way. Just assume this is a bubble and this is a bubble, then this is a bubble, then this is a bubble, then this is a bubble. Now just see here, this bubble, this first bubble is what is less weight, but the second bubble is more weight. Okay, it moves here, then moves here, then moves here. At last, this bubble moves here. Do you understand? The weighted bubble will move to the bottom, and the lightweight bubble will move to the front by colliding with one bubble. So that's the reason why we have got the name as what? Bubble sort. Okay, it means the bubbles. Fine. Now let us see example. Let me take example as, okay, let us take any our own example. 2, 3, 1, 4, 6, 5. Let me take this as example. Now in bubble sort, at first we are going to check whether this 2 and 3 are in the correct order. Okay, whether 2 and 3 are in correct order. Yes, 2 is what? Less than 3. Okay, whether 3 and 1 is correct order. No, 3 is greater than 1. Okay, just swap it. Just keep 1 here, just keep 3 here. Okay, again check for 3 and 4. Yes, it is correct order. Now it is also in correct order, but 6 and 5 is not in correct order. 6 is greater than. Okay, so swap it. Yes, this is what? This is my first iteration. Okay, this is my first iteration. See here, at my first iteration, observe carefully, my weakest bubble came at last. Now can you relate with this bubble? Fine. Now this again check for this whether it is in correct order. No, it is not in a correct order. Just swap it. Fine. Again check whether this 2 and 3 are in correct order. Yes. Whether 3 and 5 are correct. So 3 and 4 are correct order. Yes. Whether 4 and 5 are correct order. Yes. And 5 and 6 are correct order. Yes. So it is in correct order. But still, in bubble sort, we will do this for totally n times. How many elements are there in this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we will do for totally 6 minus 1 times, which is 5. 5 times. Because in worst case, just assume first there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, first the weighted element, that is the maximum element, will be filled here first. Then the second maximum element will be filled here at the second iteration. In third iteration, third, and then in fourth iteration here, then in fifth iteration, then there is no sixth iteration, but still the smallest element will be there in the correct place. Okay, so this is what the example for bubble sort. Now let us see. Let me explain with another example. Just take an example like all are sorted in descending order. Okay, let us take all are sorted in descending order. Now I have to apply the bubble sort technique to make them as a ascending order. Okay, just take this 5 and 4. Whether 5 is in correct position, 5 and 4 are in correct order. No, just swap it. 4 comes here, 5 comes here. Okay, again whether 5 is less than 3. No, again swap it. So 3 comes here and 5 comes here. Again, whether 5 and 2 are in correct position? No. So just 5 here, 2 here. Again, 5 and 1 are in correct position? No, no. 1 and 5. Do you understand what is mean correct position? Correct position means the current element should be what? Less than the current plus 1. If not, it is in wrong position. We want to swap it. If not, then swap it. This is the logic, okay? Don't get confused. Again, I will write this array 4, 3, 2, 1, 5. See here, 5 got to the last position. Bubble sort. Okay. Now, just observe again. Do the same step. Whether 4 and 3 are in correct position? No. So put 3 here, put 4 here. Now whether 4 and 2 are correct question, no. So put 4 here, put 3 here, sorry 2. Okay, now again 4 and 1, no. So 1 here, 4 here, that's all. I don't want to check here, right? I don't want to check because 5 is there, it is already sorted. Why I have to check there? I don't want to check. Now I can say the next weighted element came to the last, came to its correct position. Okay, now again let me write, see here, 3, 2, 1, 4, 5. Now we don't want to take these elements. We only want to process these elements, right? Because these are already sorted, already sorted. Then we have to order it, right? Now again, see here. First of all, 3. Now whether 3 and 2 are in correct position? No. Swap it. Whether 3 and 1 are in correct position? No. Swap it. I got the next heaviest element, that is next maximum element, right? Again, put 2, 1, 3, 4, 5. Now observe carefully. This is the sorted part, right? Then I have to do the operation here. Whether these two are in correct position? No, it is not in correct position. Just swap it. I have swapped and I got the next what? The next heaviest element. This is the maximum element. So finally my array is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many times I have done this? Let me take this as 1, 2, 3, 4. What is my n value? What is my total elements? It is 5. So that's why I have said we want to do the process for how many times? For 5 minus 1, which is mean by n minus 1. Okay, fine. Understand why we are using this, doing this process for n minus 1 times. Okay, now let us see the code. It will be more clear when we see the code. Taken the array for I in range of len of array minus 1, because n minus 1 I have told you, right? For j in range of len of arr minus 1 minus I minus 1. Why? Because in first iteration I want to take whole element. In next iteration I want to take the first 4 elements. In next iteration I want to take the first 3 elements. In next iteration I want to take the first 2 elements. That's why I have used it. We have seen the pattern, right, in this playlist. We have derived some formulas there, like that, same similar. We are just taking the I value, then we are generating this formula, right? We are going to iterate that much time. That's why I am giving those patterns and looping questions. You want to thorough with that so that you can easily implement these types of questions, right? And then if arr of j is greater than arr of j plus 1, I have told you, right, here. If see here, yes. If not, we want to swap, right? I told you that same I have used here. I just swap and then printing the array. That's all about the bubble sort. Let me run it. Understand? Now you want to implement this bubble sort in a decreasing order. Okay, just put here less than symbol. It will be changed. Okay, just try it. So let us see what is the time complexity for bubble sort. See here, what is the time complexity? I just took an element and iterating whole array. Then another time I took another element and iterating whole array. So that I can say time complexity is O of n square. And what is space complexity? I can say it is O of 1 because I haven't used any extra space. I only used the input and input array, right? So I can say this is my time complexity and space complexity after the analysis, right? Thank you.